Day 4 of Transurfing says something very interesting. Success doesn't come from fitting in, it comes from stepping out. The book itself, Reality Transurfing, talks about pendulums. They're systems, they're movements, they're groups that want everybody to blindly follow the same rules. Like their energy, pendulums swinging. But your success comes from being extraordinary, extraordinary. Don't be ordinary, be extra. Stars are people that stand out in any walk of life. I'm not just talking about Hollywood and stars. I'm talking about you in your life. How do you have an extraordinary life? Reality Transurfing. Don't be ordinary. Don't follow what other people are doing. You do you. I know as human beings, part of the tribe, you try to fit in, but the people that we admire are normally unique. They're quirky. There's something just a little bit different with them. That's what we admire about them. That's how they stand out from the crowd. That's how you get the life that you want. That's how you manifest things. Remember, day 1 is awareness. Just be aware. Don't go through life as a zombie on autopilot. Day 2 is take that awareness, but step back, see life as a stage, and then be aware of how you respond to life. That's what day 4 is called. A star is born. Be the main character. Don't be an NPC, a non-player character like in a video game. You've got to be above average, extraordinary. And it's so easy to do these days because everybody is just got their earphones in, they're just on their phone. Don't be normal like that. Be abnormal. Be unique. Stop playing other people's games and make your own game. Make your life a game. Be extraordinary. Be a star. That's day 4 of Reality Transurfing. Remember, be aware. Don't go through life unconsciously. Become aware of how you're reacting, how you're presenting yourself. Just be aware. Pick a color today like I've been doing. Pick a color today. Make it orange. Find all the orange things you can see in your life. That will train your brain. You will be amazed at how unaware you are. Remember that I have a Snail Mail Club. If you would like to connect on a more analog basis, like a pen pal, the link is in the description below. You'll get 2 letters a month from myself about my observations, how life is going, how my reality transurfing is going, day-to-day things, observations. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you're unique, what's different about you, how you are the star. You're making your own game in life. Please like and subscribe. It really, really helps the channel. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 5.